This video we will see slicing of strings. Now if I write down my str01 and let us see check whether it is indexable, and you can see that it is here. It is so the zeroth index is S. Now if I check -1, it is Y. Other functions are also working, length. So we can check that the length of the string is 21. So we can write down like this. So you can see that we have started from the index position 2 and till 1 less than 7, because if I start counting from here, it is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 7th actually is a blank space, so it is displaying till H, and it is taking from 0 1 2, that is from 2, that is MNATH, it is displaying. Now can we reverse the string? So if I write down like this, so straight away it reverses the string colon colon -1. If you remember that -1, when we have written -1, if I simply write like this, zero one, and if I simply write like this, it is only Y. Now if I start from here, and if I take the entire thing, then also it is, so it is -1. This is the end, isn't it? So this is the end, so actually we should go till the last one. So since we have checked that the length of the string is 21, so -1 -2 -3 -4 -5, so if it is -22, so can we write down like this colon -22? So we are not getting anything, we are getting a blank space.